Search engines. In this video, we are going to see about search engines. The search engine is a web program that enables the users to enter words and phrases to search and scan the vast information on the web to locate sites that matches the words or phrase. A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. The user can locate useful or interesting websites by using a search engine. This is an organization with a website containing a huge database of website addresses. Search engines also maintain real-time information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. When a query is typed in the form of subject or a name that describes what users are seeking, and search engine provides with a list or selection of website addresses that fit the inquiry. The user can then simply click on an address to jump to that website. Search engine optimization, SEO. Search engine optimization is the process of increasing the visibility of a website or a web page in a search engine's natural search results. It is the process of optimizing the web page contents to increase its relevance to specific keywords and to remove barriers to the indexing activities of search engines. SEO makes the website more efficient and visible to its users during the search. Web search engines. A web search engine is an interactive tool that helps to locate documents on the internet containing terms being searched by the user. Search engines use the bottom-up approach for finding your way around the web. You give a search engine a list of keywords or phrases called a query, and it returns you a list of web pages that contain those words or phrases. In other words, search engines are actually databases that contain references to thousands of resources. Users are able to interact with the database, submitting queries that ask the database if it contains resources that match specific criteria. Some search engines search only the title of web pages, some by Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL, some by words in each document in a website, and some by a combination of these. Each search engine has its own way deciding which of the web pages on its list is most likely to be the one that you are looking for. Some allow more complicated queries than others, where keywords can be combined with Boolean, that is logical operations such as and, or, and not, to produce rather complicated queries. The rules combining these operations are called the syntax of the search engine. There is an art in designing queries that result in a search engine returning a useful list to you. Given the vast number of web pages, a query that is too general may feel literally millions of web pages, most of them useless to you. A query that is too specific may miss many web pages that you would have liked to see. Each engine is also defined as an online utility that quickly searches thousands of web documents for a word or phrase being searched. List of search engines: Google, Yahoo, Ask Jeeves, DuckDuckGo, Cosmix, Yabol, Bing, MSN. Working of search engines. Search engines are information retrieval system designed to help find information stored on a computer system. There are many types of search engines, but we would limit our discussion to web search engines which search for information on World Wide Web. Search engines were started with an idea to ease the process of finding information on the internet. A search engine consists of three parts. First part. First part is the spider, which is also called the crawler or bot. This spider part visits a web page, reads it, and then follow links to other pages within the site. This process is often referred to as crawling or spidering. Crawling of a website is done on a very regular basis. The spider visits a website, following links from other website or website submission it received. The content that spider finds is sent to its database or index, as it is popularly known. This index is like a huge book that contains a copy of web page or catch that the spider finds out. Second part. This constitutes the second part of a search engine. It also stores the structure and the way pages are linked to each other. This information would be updated every time when there is a change in content or linking. Third part. Third part of a search engine is search engine software that works behind the interface when we use a search engine. This software will shift through the trillions on indexed pages to match the search query that user has asked. The pages are ranked by search engines, and the search results are based on this ranking and relevance to search term. This is how a search engine determines what order shall be listed for a particular search.